There are a lot of camping products that are out there on different websites and come from different vendors, Amazon being one of them. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 products under $50 that are going to enhance your camping or overlanding adventure. Stay tuned. Before we get started, I want to say that all the products that you're about to see were not sent to us. We did not get them for free. We were not paid to review them. We weren't paid to test them. Everything you're about to see came out of our own pocket with our own money. If you do choose to purchase any of these products, there is an affiliate link below, which links you to the Amazon page where you can add this to your camping gear. Any clicks that you do greatly help the channel out. And while you're at it, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button for more content like this to come. So the first item that I have here is a tub, and I know this doesn't look like much, but how does this enhance your camping experience? Well, it's a tub that collapses. And the best part about this is also, if you're ever doing dishes at camp, this has a drying rack built into it and a little drain port, so you can actually drain the water off of your vehicle so it doesn't collect and basically dries your dishes very effectively. That's one of the biggest challenges that I found when we're at camp is you wash your dishes in one spot and then where do you put them afterwards? So this is a pretty good little tub, collapsible, doesn't take up much space, and for $16.99 I think that's a pretty good bargain. So the next item I have on the list is going to be something that's essential when you're going to camp. You've got to be able to eat out of something. This is a cookware set, and this cookware set is made by a company called Alox, and it costs $49.99. And what you get for that is you actually get a couple of size pots with lids. On top of that, you also get a frying pan. Now, is this going to be the biggest set of cookware that you have? No. Are you making massive pots of chili or anything like that in there? No, you're not. But I'll tell you what, one of the things that we find as a challenge is transporting cookware sometimes can be bulky and take up a lot of room. This one also comes with a very handy carrying bag. All of this collapses into itself as well. So as it collapses into itself, it takes up a footprint of about this big. So if you think about if storage or space is a limitation for you, this is going to be a cool little set that you can prepare pretty good meals on, especially if you're individual camping, or if you buy a couple of the sets, then you can have one for each individual that you go camping with. So again, $49.99, pretty cool. I like it. Nice little camping set. One of the biggest challenges at camp is where do you put your trash? You know, a lot of people will tie, say, maybe a Walmart sack or something like that to the side of their vehicle. Maybe you tie it to a chair. Maybe you have a big trash bag that you tie to one of the poles holding up one of your tents or something like that. Well, one of the things that I've been wanting to get for a while is a camp trash can. And for $36.99 on Amazon, this trash can, which of course I had to get in tan because why not, is pretty cool. It collapses down to this size right here, so you can see very, very thin profile. It's got this sort of scuff resistant bottom, so it appears like it'll last for a little bit longer. And the best part about this is that you unclip one side, unclip the other side, and boom, it expands into your trash can. This is really cool, and it also comes with some trash bags. The cool thing also is that it has little clips that are on the inside of the trash can to be able to clip the garbage bag to so it doesn't fall down into the trash can whenever you're using it. So that's really cool. I wish more home trash cans had that, because how many times you go take the trash out or something like that and it slips down into the trash can. So again, whenever you're done with it, you just fold it up, you clip it, and after that, you're ready to roll again. And again, my favorite part, it takes up this much space. That's almost flat. That's got to be, what, a couple inches. So again, if space is a premium for you, I think this is a fantastic option at $36.99. So let me know if this has ever happened to you. You go ahead, you cook your dinner, you get ready to sit down and eat, and where did I put the utensils? Well, maybe they're over here in this tote, or maybe they're over here in this bag, or maybe they're behind the seat, maybe they're in the glove box, who knows? Well, how about if you had an organizer that could organize your cutlery for you? This little bag right here at the cost of $21 is actually really neat. I mean, and again, had to get it in tan because why not? The one thing I like about this is you see this top pocket up here can accommodate a full-size chef's knife. Slides right in there and zips up, so it keeps it nice, secure, and safe. The other thing is that you can put all different cutlery down in this main bottom pouch here, and if you wanted to use it as a spice organizer, you can put spice bottles in here, and it holds them just fine as well. Fully zips up. Even has a carrying handle right here. Little carrying handle here as well. And again, takes up this much space. So we always talk about space. We always talk about storage, you know, especially on Jeeps. It's kind of hard to come by sometimes, guys. You all know that. And so something like this, taking up a little bit less space, has that anti-scuff bottom on it. So a little bit of a rubberized texture, so it doesn't, you know, just slide off of things very easily. I like this. You know, my wife has been telling me for a while, we need to get something to put our cutlery in so we know exactly where it is. So when we get done cooking, we can take it out. And when we get done washing with that tub over there that I showed you earlier, we can put the stuff right back in here and we can go ahead and stow it and have a place for it. So again, $21, and it'll save you a lot of headache when it comes to trying to find your cutlery and your utensils at camp. And the last product that I have to show you is going to be this collapsible side table. So this is really cool. So let's say you're sitting at camp and you're enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning, you got your chair out there, maybe you don't have a table attached to your chair, and you want something kind of short that kind of sits down where you can just reach out and grab your coffee. This is a perfect solution. Even has this little mesh bag underneath where you can put different things at camp. Maybe, you know, if you're using it around the campfire, maybe you can put, you know, your hatchet in there or something like that so you have quick access to it. But this, you know, the top is very firm. I bought it in tan because why not? And I think that this is actually pretty good value. It doesn't take very long to assemble it all. Collapses down into a small bag. So again, we've been talking about space this entire video. So it comes in a bag about that size. And so, you know, you get this utility of having this table at camp in not a very, very big package at all. So I think that this is actually a pretty good value when it comes to enhancing your camping experience. So there you have it, 5 products under $50 on Amazon designed to enhance your camping and overlanding experience. Let me know in the comments which one you think would be the most useful. And if you want to pick up any of the products that I've shown you today, all the links are down below in the description. I've been Gary from Dixie Overland. The adventure is just getting started.